Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on setting up product bundles in Norce Commerce. Bundle products in Norce can be done in a few different ways, but today we'll focus on what we call managed structures, which is a bundle created in Norce that is unknown to the ERP. Let's start. To begin creating a bundle, ensure that the managed structure product type is activated. Navigate to Products, Settings, and then Product Types. This is where you can enable this option. Once the managed structure is activated, create a new product and select this option. You'll notice a new tab called Structure appears on the product page where you can add underlying products and specify their quantities within the bundle. After setting up the product structure, it's time to price your bundle. You can use all price rules available for regular products, but there are also 3 other ways to price bundles with the price rule called Structure Calculation. Let's have a closer look. One pricing option is the Use Item Price rule, which calculates the bundle's price based on the prices of the underlying products. This method ensures the total price updates automatically if any individual product price changes. When using the Standard Price rule, the price rule for each product will be automatically set to use standard price, so you can set a discount if desired. Alternatively, you can use the Distribute Price rule to set a fixed price for the entire bundle. Norce will then proportionally distribute this price among the underlying items. By following these steps, you can effectively create and price product bundles in Norce Commerce. This approach not only enhances your product offerings, but also optimizes your pricing strategy for better market competitiveness. And remember, when using bundles, Norce also automatically keeps track of the underlying stock levels. That's it. If you want more info, please have a look in our documentation. Thanks for watching and see you around.